Hello, welcome to 10 Lego and Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build 5 fidgets that you can shake, spin and press. Let's start with the first one, the glass shaker. Start by having a 2x5x1 brick which is transparent. Next you want to insert some 1x1 circular discs into the thing. I'm going to use 4, but you can use as many as you want, just unless it doesn't fill the whole thing up. So it should look like this. After you've done that, you just want to cap it with a 1x2 on the bottom, and just to make it look good from the both bottom and top, put one on the top too, so it looks like this. And then you'll shake it, and the more you have, the more satisfaction. Next, I'll be showing you how to build a fidget spinner. Start by having a 1x5 Technic beam. Then you want a 1x3 axle with this bush piece. After you've done that, stick it on one of the axle sides. Afterwards, put a gear on, just here. Then this is optional, but you can put 2 1x1 bricks on top here, and now you have a fidget spinner. Next, here's another shaker. So, start by getting any size Technic rod and put one cylinder piece that looks a bit like this. And I've put it in the axle and put in these circular bricks. You just want to snap them on the axle. Make sure that your cylinder piece doesn't fall off, and voila. Now, this might be one of the really most satisfying ones that I built. So you'll need 3 pieces, a cheese loop and any sort of hinge. So start by connecting both pieces of the hinge like this, and connect the cheese loop right here. So then if you bend it like this, you can push it and it'll go back up, making it a fully pressable button. Very satisfying, so I recommend you do this one if you have all the parts. Now the final one is the music shaker. To do this one, you want to build a 4x4 box with the base being a 4x4 plate. You just want to quickly put the pieces on, overlapping, to strengthen it. You want it to be approximately 2 bricks tall, and then put 3 studs inside. Then just cap it off with any 4x4 or 2x4s, and now you can just give it a quick shake, and the sound satisfies enough. I'll quickly give you a recap of my 5 fidgets I built. The transparent shaker, the spinner, the axle shaker, the button, and the music shaker. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!